Hey, what's up everybody? It's Taikina Beauty. I'm back here with another video, a requested video. Keep the requested videos coming, you guys, and I will deliver. But shout out to XO_babygirl. She wrote this comment and it made me want to do this cosplay Agent Honeydew hair tutorial. So if you would like to see how you can get this Agent Honeydew cosplay tutorial hair, look, keep on watching. It's really easy. I done it in under 20 minutes. You can achieve it. But let's get into it. So now I'm starting off with brushing my hair out. If you have long hair, this is going to be harder. Look, I'm in pain. Can y'all see it? Because I can see it. But we're going to comb out my tangles and we're going to braid this hair down. I cannot braid. Please don't take away my black card, but we're gonna try. I'm using Taliah waajid. I know I'm saying that wrong, but it's a really good leave-in cream. I'll link it below. It's a black-owned business, which is good too. And I'm using Beauty with Cruelty leave-in conditioner. I'm honestly just using that just to get rid of it. I'm not too crazy about it. I will still link it down below if you want to try. I just don't think it moisturizes my hair like it should. But yes, while we're doing that, I am using this brush. Sorry, I got a notification, you guys. It's a really good not moisturizing brush. It's a really good detangling brush. It's from a black-owned company called Quince. I will link them in the description. It came in different colors, but I really like purple, so we're gonna go with purple. And it's an interesting brush. I'm combing out the hairs right now, which I like. It came with a detachable piece that you can comb out, you know, the hairs out of the brush, but it doesn't have a hard back, so it feels weird brushing with it. I have to get used to it because I'm not, but I do recommend it because I think it's curly hair friendly. It's definitely for curly hair for sure. But I am using a spray bottle because I don't want to comb out my curls dry. It will just make an afro, and I want this hair to just stay flat. I have knots throughout my hair. If I don't comb my hair within the week, I will get dreads forming. It's really bad. But yes, I'm using that comb. You guys should really try it out, and you can see me frustrated, but just ignore me. And as we're doing that, we're still going to apply cream to my hair. I want to keep my hair moisturized underneath because if I don't, my hair will start itching. And now we're going to section the hair because we are about to braid. And I want to make sure I get it all moisturized. I have a very thick hair, and if you do, you notice this will help. And using lots of products will help on thick hair. Finally, we're about to braid. I was just making sure I could comb through my hair, break it apart. Gonna make 2 French braids because again, I cannot cornrow back. Somebody teach me, please. I would love to, but this is the most flattest I can get my hair, so I am doing 2 French braids and making sure the braids are as tight as possible as I am braiding. That's what you want to do so you don't have any lumps or bumps with your wig, because you will be wearing a pixie cut bald wig, short hair wig, and with short haired wigs you can see every lump and bump, and you don't want a helmet head because that's so easy to see. Now we're going to work on the other side. Same step. Use a Taliah leave-in conditioner, comb my hair out, use a spray bottle, make sure we get all the tangles out because if we don't, we're going to have lumps and bumps, you guys. But this is the most tedious part, is getting your hair into the braids. If you have a tangly hair, if you have a lot of hair, it's going to be a little bit more harder. But if you had shorter hair, it's pretty easier because you can just slap that wig on and not really have to do too much. Again, using beauty cruelty to get rid of it. I don't think I'll purchase it again, but I do like that it smells like lavender, and if your hair doesn't need that much moisture, I do recommend that for you guys. And it's organic. Looking at me like rip out these curls was like driving me crazy. It's cringy. This is cringy, guys. I had to switch up the brush. I got a vent brush, gonna be honest, because it was taking me a little bit more longer to actually brush out the kinks and knots in my hair. So I used my sister's Conair vent brush. Not too crazy about vent brushes because I break every vent brush. I go through a vent brush almost every month or two. So I'm trying to find a hair tool that my hair won't break. Almost done. Making sure I can comb through my hair, which is something you want to do so your hair can lay flat. Still on the same side, just switch where my camera was at. Again, you want to make sure your hair is moisturized. If you have dry hair, or else it's going to be itchy under there. I just rather not be itchy under my wigs because I'm good at that. Because when I have to itch, it's gonna itch, and a tap on my head's not gonna work. But we're braiding this down, and again, while I'm braiding, I'm making sure, you want to make sure the braid is tight, so pull tightly but gently, if that makes sense. I hope it does. And we're gonna secure it once we get to the end with a bobby pin. Last, we got the hair braided up. That was the most crucial, important part. And making sure you have it laid down good enough. That's the best I can get it. Now you're gonna get your wig cap. I don't have the correct color for my wig, and if you don't have a wig cap and it's too dark for you, just make sure you paint it with your foundation shade before putting the wig on. But I didn't need that, so it really didn't matter in this case because you really aren't going to see any hairline, especially with this wig. If you guys are interested in the wig I bought, I will link it below. I paid under $100. It is 100% human hair. I'm skeptical, gonna be honest with you guys. I wish the bang was longer, but for the process of basically shaping this wig, you're gonna need some gel, and the gel I like to use is the Freeze Spray Gel by Got2b Glue. I use that for my wigs too as well, but in this instance I'm not going to use it to lay it down. I just don't think I need to, but I will use it to style it because it is a gel. And if I were to use like an actual gel, it would just be more messier, and I don't want to do that to the wig. But in order to shape that curl, you want to form it and spray the gel down, and it will move it in your direction. What I really wish this wig had was a longer bang. I think I made the mistake of cutting the bang and cutting too much off, but I mean, I made it work. Keep shaping that hair in whatever direction you want it to go. I wish if this bang was longer, I would be able to do more of a swoop. I'm gonna see if I can get another. Well, we'll see. But yes, we're gonna keep shaping that, and as we're shaping it, I'm going to hold it down like you would if you're going to glue your wig down. And as we snap that back, we're going to wait 5 minutes and have that hold down for 5 minutes. You can get these headbands from the dollar supply store. That's where I got mine. I like to call it my little stay down wig band. And then we'll be back. Now we're back. Let's see if this worked. Pull it off gently. It worked, and I played around in my cosplay. I did some TikToks, and it did stay. So now I'm just going to do the finishes touches and just spray my hands with the Got2b Glue spray and just spread it everywhere I want it to go in what direction I want the wig to go. If that makes sense. But there we have it. Here's the wig. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. It was very quick and easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you like this hair tutorial, you definitely gotta check out the Agent Honeydew makeup causeway transformation. It's really cool, really pretty purple eye look. If you did like this video, please thumbs up and like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see me do other cosplay tutorials, definitely suggest some down below, and you never know, I might do it in my next video. Thank you for requesting me to do this video. I even pranked my boyfriend and he really thought I cut my hair. This is really easy. I done this in under 20 minutes. You guys should definitely try it out. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye. Later.